Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Secretary Jongkatnat Health and Family Welfare, Praveen Bakshi, bolong ru Director Jongkatnat Ayush, hakalai putrik mentabna Jemang, arajar kandai. Ula play pajba ya keper ban rap iki dawai kan ban komisi benta ban penslor iki pajba nong snong baki dai ban ri bat sumar iki klau ki betap ha kejela am ban weng ding lani penjulor iki uprabin vakshi ha bakren kum kongsan shuaban play yakni keper rap kan bat dawai ulai tho bak jing sumar iki dawai kan bat kadai ke jing sumar ke bala pau perthai bha nadu ki spas nem ba menchua bat ke badang yai peteng hadu kini kisngi bementa Hakani ke juga sengi Praveen Bakshi ula pelipat baru ya ke Ayush Medical Health Camp ke bala penbiang da ke Officer Camp jong District Medical and Health Officer jong ke East Castles District ya ke bala pelong ha pelau jong ke Civil Hospital Shillong.
Now there is a full-fledged ministry of Ayush. It has been there for a couple of years now, and it has seen tremendous growth in itself, and through this standalone ministry which is there at the Government of India level has really given a big impetus, a big push for all national Ayush mission linked activities in all the state. So we are also trying our best to have a full-fledged directorate of Ayush in our state as it is there in many states. It should have the same structure as is there in DHS, MI, DHS, MCH or DHS research. So in that way, it should be the fourth directorate which is under the Health and Family Welfare Department. So that is under process now. And also at the same time, the National Ayush Mission has grown by leaps and bounds. It's really a full-fledged mission now. So we get funds from ministry, we have to make our own plan, and various kind of activities are being taken up in all the districts. Now, both under National Health Mission and under the National Ayush Mission, they have brought in the component of wellness. So it's health and wellness. Your general well-being is also very, very crucial. So this is a new concept because the Health Ministry has done a study. So they are saying if people take care of their health, if they lead healthy lifestyles and they avoid certain type of food, they have good dietary habits, then the chances of them falling sick will be lesser and lesser.